Ever felt like your Tableau projects are getting lost in a sea of generic names? Let's fix that. Today, we're learning how to rename projects in Tableau to keep things clean and organized. First, open Tableau Desktop and locate the project you want to rename. You'll see the project listed in the project section next to the project name. There is a small arrow. This is our gateway to the project settings. Click on that arrow to open the project options. A small menu will appear, giving you multiple choices. You want to select the rename option. This is the button that will kickstart the renaming process. A dialog box will appear, almost like a tiny window. Within this box, you'll see the current project name displayed in a field. This is the spot you'll edit. Click inside the text field and replace the existing name with your new, more descriptive, and organized project name. Think specifically about what your data represents. For instance, a project might be called Q for Sales Performance. Once you're happy with the new name, confirm your change by clicking on the OK button. And just like that, your project is renamed. You'll immediately see the updated name reflected in the project list. Now your Tableau projects are clear and concise, making collaboration a breeze.